Today we're going to talk about a recent approval of our study permit application. So great news, one of our clients got their study permit application approved, and I will let you know how it exactly happened and what you can learn from this application. Whether you have just started your journey of Canada's study permit application or you have already applied, stick around because this very case might just be the inspiration that you need. So Canada's study permit is your ticket to world-class education, of course, and there will be post-study work opportunities for you. And once you've worked in Canada for a certain amount of time, there could be a path to permanent residency. The problem is getting approved for Canada's study permit, it takes more than just an offer letter. So here's what you typically need for this application: a letter of acceptance from a DLI, designated learning institution, proof of sufficient funds, a strong statement of purpose, clean background and medical ties to your home country. But what really makes or breaks an application is how convincing and complete your profile is. So here's a real-time example for one of our clients. He got admitted into the University of Waterloo in Ontario, and he paid $73,000 for the first year's fee in advance. He got his letter of acceptance from the University of Waterloo, and he showed proof of funds of about $20,000. Rock solid statement of purpose explaining why Canada, why this course, and how it fits his career goals. Of course, there was academic consistency and there were no prior refusals. So we applied under the regular stream. So his application was submitted on the 28th of May, 2025. And you can see the steps right in front of you. He got his biometrics done on the same day. July 16th was the correspondence letter, and a passport request was also issued for the same date, July 16th. And then there was a final correspondence letter on July 29th. So this was the correspondence letter from IRCC, where they have clearly advised this client to bring this letter of introduction with you to Canada. And it clearly shows that the study permit application has been approved. So if you are about to apply for your study permit application, here's what this client did it right that you should also do. Number one, his statement of purpose connected to the program, to his past and future, and there was no guesswork for the officer. Number two, strong financials. We didn't just show enough money, we explained where it comes from and how this money is accessible. And number three is proof of intention to return back to your country of origin. So even though Canada does offer a pathway to PR, but the client still showed ties back home. For example, he showed his family, job prospects, community obligations, and other fundamental factors. And this gave the confidence to the visa officer. This person is a genuine study permit applicant. So if you are serious about studying in Canada and you want your application to done right, do not leave it to a chance. Simply book a consultation session with me and let's talk strategy. You can book an appointment at the given link here. I'm a licensed Canadian immigration consultant based in Toronto, Canada. We'll have a detailed chat about your personal and professional profile, in which we'll do a complete assessment to see where you stand. And of course, we will let you know how to move forward. Anyways, that's it for now, and we'll come back with more updates. Thank you.